Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word limitation. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The doctor explained that there would be some physical limitations during the recovery process. Limitation refers to a restriction or constraint that prevents someone or something from reaching full potential or achieving a desired outcome. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.